guys, my name's Kevin Ellis and I'm the coordinator of the Mhlanga Festival 2017, coordinating all the fun and games from approximately 10 in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. On either side of me we have top lifeguards as well as security, and that's what brings everybody down to this festival, where they know their children are safe. We start off in the morning with morning exercises. We then do the egg throwing competition, egg and spoon race. We then do mini Olympics where we time the children and challenge, and also do keep fit exercise, really getting the children to keep fit and become a little bit healthier for 2018. Other than that, we've just had the most successful Miss Mhlanga beauty pageant with 67 beautiful girls. Beach was absolutely packed. What was so wonderful is that each person gave a toy as an entry, and we are able to go out and give children that don't have even one toy this Christmas a beautiful toy. Thank Mhlanga Tourism as well as Durban Tourism, Coca-Cola and Mr. Peter Roche, Chairman of the Mhlanga Tourism, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to come down here and have absolute fun 2017 Mhlanga Festival.